Look at this. Just look at it. This is horrible. Guys, I got a serious question. Is my hair it? Yay or nay? Yay or nay? This is serious business right now. I'm going more towards a nay, so I'm about to put it up. I know I said I was going to put up the last video, but I ran out of time because I had to go to my class. But are we feeling it? I got this long piece of strand. Who told me to flat iron my hair? Who told me that? Who told me, oh, it'd be so cute flat iron? No. I'm thinking more of a nay. I'm gonna put it up. You think I can put it up at a stop sign? Oh, guys, hold on. It's the police, Okay. I'm gonna put it up. It's final look. It's a long, straight piece. I'm thinking about cutting my hair like all one length so it can grow evenly, so when I wear it curly I don't have just straight pieces. Like, that's so ugly. Ugh. I thought I was gonna be different and do something cute, but it's not working out for me. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I put my hair up. I was in the process of putting my hair up and my dang on hair tie broke. I'm upset. Now look at my hair. Now just look at it. Look at it. It just looks a mess. It literally looks a mess. I don't even have an extra hair tie. It looks a freaking mess. I got things to do. Let me see. So I'm about to go to the mall, guys, and return this outfit. My hair still looks a mess. I still hate my hair. It's fine, whatever. I'm just gonna turn this outfit in and then I'm gonna go. Hopefully nobody sees me because I look a freaking hot mess. Said I was coming to Target for one thing, so I'm gonna look for some lotion. Let's see if I can find some lotion here. It's the EOS lotion. Have you ever had the EOS lotion? It's really good. I think it's all the way on the other side of the store. I have the other two, but I want the vanilla lotion. That's the main reason why I've came here. I know you can get it at Myers, but a lot of the Myers in my area don't carry it. I don't know if it's because everybody's been buying it or what, but let's see if we can find it here. I'm out of breath. I've had a long day. I had to get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I had class from 9 to 11:30. The last hour and a half of class was outside. And those who know me know I hate being outside. Well, I shouldn't say hate being outside. I strongly dislike being outside. I hate smelling like outside. It's cool if I'm out of town, then I wouldn't mind being outside because there's things to do, but there's nothing to do where I live. So why am I outside? Oh, they have the rose therapy. Vaseline. These are key to success. These right here. I have like 5 of these. One for my car, one for my purse, one for my backpack, one for the house. Then I have an extra one floating around somewhere in my house. Maybe Terry took it, who knows. Let's see if they have it. Oops.
They smell good.
They have it. The vanilla cashmere. It was worth the wait, guys. Worth the wait. So happy. It's all I ever wanted. Was the vanilla cashmere. Terry's like, why'd you go and get this? Because I wanted it. Okay, let's go check out. The Vaseline hand sanitizer. They're out of it. It's $4 and they're out. I've searched high and low for this. So happy. Go ahead. Sorry. No, you're fine. Ices. So look at the ices, guys. Guess I can leave that right there. Always get Coke. Or maybe I should put the lid on it first, right? Okay, so my favorite slushie is, oopsie, oh gosh, this is hard. Okay, hold on. Machine must only take you to that checkout on Bleacher first. So, my favorite slushie in the whole wide road is a Coke slushie.
Yes!
It's the best thing ever. They're taxing here. Usually my slushies be $1. These is $3.20. Probably be playing no games. They make sure somebody watch and make sure you pay for everything. I can't believe this is $3. This little thing, $3. I can get a 2-liter for cheaper. Do y'all have a super Target where y'all at? Because we got one super Target and we got one regular Target. Let me know. And I'm supposed to not drink these. But I just needed one. I had a very stressful day. I woke up. I'm alive. I'm free from hell, so I can't complain. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. So where I'm at, it's very windy. That sounded bad. So where I'm at, the weather is usually colder than this. So I guess a lot of people are taking advantage of how hot and warm it is for this time of year. Oh, that car is so cute. It's pink. I hope y'all seen it. It's really cute. I want a pink car. Ah. Put this in my bag. Now where do I have to go now? I think I'm gonna go home. Yep, that's the plan, to go home. Whew. I'm going home, going home. At least they had my my lotion. They didn't have my hand sanitizer. lotion, and I'm very hurt about that. It was on sale for $4, so everybody had to take it. Look at this. Just look at it. This is horrible. That's it. I'm flat ironing my hair. I'm gonna get me some clip-ins from Amazon, and I'm gonna flat iron my hair. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so I'm at the library because I'm gonna write on the whiteboard. And I'm just gonna review some concepts, like probably a whole bunch of disease processes. A lot of times when I find myself stuck on content, I like to write on the whiteboard, and I fill the whole whiteboard up, and I'll just keep writing and writing and writing. It helps me produce muscle memory, so when I take the clicks, it will stay in my head. So just watch me through my process, if you will. Yep. So this video took me like 15 minutes to do because I had a lot of notes to write. But thank you so much for watching my vlog. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what other things you want to see. Let me know what things you're interested in knowing about me. Bye.